it's so beautiful and smells like summer. And I haven't even cut it yet. Right, I'll go get everything I need.
What smells like summer? Sue! Oh! A watermelon. So big! I need to get a piece for myself. The sweetest one. Before Sue comes back. Right. What tools have we got here? Eating watermelons isn't easy. And also they have this thick rind. Oh. Oh no! I don't want all that watermelon mess!
Itsy bitsy watermelon!
Huh? No! Sue, why would you give that thing a nickname?
Oh, come on! I think it's very cute.
Not cute at all! That's it! No more watermelons! I don't want the seeds to stick to me!
They won't!
Oh, really?
Really. Today, we'll be eating the watermelon without the rind or seeds bothering us.
Huh! I won't believe it till I see it.
Hi guys! We're in a watermelon mood today. Here, Sam, look!
What am I looking at?
Well, this'll help us enjoy our watermelon.
Sue, you probably overheated. Can't you see these aren't kitchen utensils?
I can, Sammy, I can. But I bought this watermelon for a very special reason, to try to get juice out of it in a very interesting way. Shall we try?
You don't even have to ask!
Guys, if you support our idea, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to repeat this watermelon craft, ask an adult to help you. Be very careful with all the tools. All right, let's take our watermelon and cut a small opening on the top. Like this. What a lovely scent. Now I'll take this blade. I've washed it really well. I'll insert the blade into our screwdriver. And I'll make a hole with it.
Come on, Sue! You can do it!
Sam, I have to concentrate!
This was your one-of-a-kind comedian, Slick Slime Sam. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, I'll continue. Aha! Done! This is the opening we've made. The next stage requires a tap, like this. Just an ordinary tap. I've washed it too, of course. Let's insert it, Sam!
Oh! I thought you were done and I've been waiting for the juice to pour in my mouth.
No, Sammy, it's not done yet. I'll insert the tap into the opening like this, very tight. Now the tap is closed.
But the juice will still come out of it?
Yes, Sammy, but not right away. Go and choose some pretty glasses for us.
Glasses, glasses. Which glasses are for drinking watermelon juice? Plastic? Nah, too simple. Oh, these tall ones. No, they're for something else. Maybe these? Or these? Oh, what's going on? Sue, I've come right away. Are you all right?
Yes, Sammy, don't worry. I'm just blending the watermelon pulp to make more juice.
You're blending the watermelon with a screwdriver?
Well, an ordinary blender won't be much use here. The watermelon is so big. Right, looks like it's done. I'll close the watermelon with the cap I cut out earlier. Hey, Sam?
Yes?
Where are the glasses?
Glasses? Which Oh, glasses! Well, I didn't have time to pick them. You started whirring with this screwdriver.
Well, let's go choose them together. Let's see. How about these?
Oh! How did you guess?
Intuition, Sammy. I can tell you would have selected these glasses. I like them too, so we'll take them. too, Sammy, but I want to make some finishing touches first. We need to find something to place it on.
This?
No, that's for hot things. Here, we'll take this bowl. Carefully now.
And pour away! That's the way I like to eat a watermelon. Open and you get only the juice.
Very delicious.
The result was really amazing, guys! Don't you think? If you agree, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel! We'll show you lots of cool things. Are you done? Good job! Now you'll be rewarded with another interesting craft. Watermelon, 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 watermelon.
Sammy?
Watermelon, watermelon.
What? Watermelon? Hey, Sam! Earth to Sam!
Watermelon!
I can see that. And?
Watermelon!
Sammy, you're scaring me!
Right. Watermelon mood, the most cheerful mood in the world.
Oh, that's what it is. That's why we have all these watermelon items.
Yes, I want a watermelon and a craft something out of it.
Sammy, watermelons are a summertime treat. They're harder to get in the winter, unless it's jelly.
Ugh, jelly. So give it here.
Aww. Watermelon has a really pleasant, fresh taste. Give a thumbs up if you agree.
I'll tell you this, Susie. You're not the only one who can do magic. Wait for it. Ta-da!
Wow, a real watermelon! Sammy, it's amazing!
Thank you.
What do you want to do with this watermelon?
Well, if you recall, our last video with the watermelon dispenser became quite popular. Give a thumbs up if you saw that video! So, we need to make one more watermelon dispenser. Here, I drew a draft for ya.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
And also, instead of an ordinary tap, we're going to use this elegant thing.
Sammy, you even thought of that? There's one thing left for me to do to make a watermelon dispenser.
Yay! Watermelon mood rules!
Today, we're going to have an incredibly summery watermelon craft. And this time, we have this equipment to extract watermelon juice. Look! This kit has an instrument to make a hole in the watermelon. There's a spoon for the pulp on the other end. Convenient! And there's this stylish tap with a lever. So, we need to craft something special.
Last time we didn't have a stand.
Oh, right! We'll move this aside and pull this closer.
I got it! You need to…
Sammy, thanks. I've already studied your draft.
Fine, call me if you need anything.
Fine. We're going to need this round piece. And we need to measure this flexible cardboard so it can wrap around the cardboard circle. This flexible cardboard is a bit long. I need to measure the required length. There!
Susie, I wanted to learn more about watermelons, so I wrote out a few most interesting facts.
Oh? Well, read them. I really want to know.
Well, it turns out that watermelons are from the same family as pumpkins. They have seeds like fruit, but they're more of a vegetable.
Oh, interesting. Pumpkin is sweet too. We can make juice from it.
Yes, but I like watermelon more. And you guys, pumpkin or watermelon? Write in the comments. What ya making?
I'm making the base, see?
Oh, awesome! My idea is starting to shape.
Yes. Now we need to glue these two pieces together neatly. Remember to be careful with hot glue. The glue should be applied a little bit away from the edge, like this. Then I'll place the round piece here and wrap the flexible piece around it.
Susie! Did you know that you can eat all the watermelon parts, even the rind?
The rind too? No, I didn't.
I tried chewing the rind, but it isn't tasty.
It should probably be cooked in some way.
Yes, I've got it written here. In China, they fry, dry, and pickle the rind.
Huh, pickled watermelon. Curious.
Oh, this looks more like a stand now.
Aha! We also need to glue a support for the watermelon.
Go on, glue it. I'll go get smaller pieces I've made.
I'm surprised. How did you manage it all?
It's watermelon energy. Whoosh!
Watermelon fuel for Sam. To make the support, I'll need these cardboard rings. And a strip of flexible cardboard of this size with a round opening. That's where the juice tap will go. I'll glue the cardboard strip to the rings. Nice and slow. Sam, which pieces did you prepare?
Handles, of course.
Handles?
Yes, to carry our watermelon dispenser around.
Oh, I see. All right, we'll finish making this piece and start on the handles. Carefully. There. Great! And the handles for our dispenser are made of these two pieces and 2 strips of cardboard. Hop! And hop. We need 2 of these. Let's glue them to the sides. I'll apply a bit of glue here.
And while you're gluing, I'll share another fact. There are 1,200 kinds of watermelon! Not only red, but yellow, different sizes with seeds and without, and so on.
Wow! I'd love to try all of them.
Yes! I'll write each kind I try into my watermelon notepad.
All right. And our stand is ready. Time for the watermelon. At this step, make sure to ask an adult to help you because we need to work with a knife here. Let's cut out the cap. Oh, it's crunchy. And one more. Ah, this scent is absolutely amazing.
It's calling to me.
Very soon, we're going to drink the juice. I need to blend up the pulp first.
Oh, go on, blend it. I'll be around. Right. I need to check if Sue's doing it correctly. Right. Yep.
Sam, it's done.
I'm coming.
Let's place our watermelon onto the stand carefully. Got it.
Holding?
Yep, it is.
Yay!
Right now, let's make an opening in the watermelon with the special tool. There's nothing to be afraid of. We've emptied the watermelon.
Now the tap?
Now the tap. Let's screw it in tightly. So easy. Now we can pour our blended and strained pulp in. It's become juice now. There. And close it with the cap.
I brought the glasses and I'm ready to enjoy it.
Let's do it.
Let's check out this watermelon device. Holy cannoli, it's working! Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Ah.
Oh.
Yum.
Mmm.
Ah.
Wow.
There. We made a wonderful watermelon dispenser.
Susie, what will we do when the watermelon juice runs out?
Well, you can pour in any other drink that goes well with watermelon flavor.
Oh, I need to make a list of such drinks.
Go on. And meanwhile, I'll enjoy the juice. Guys, give a thumbs up if you like today's craft. And subscribe to the channel not to miss new videos from Sam. Bye-bye.
Right. Watermelon and coffee. No. Watermelon and water. Yes. Watermelon and soda. A